Top 12 Food Phrasal Verbs. Welcome to your favorite channel, English Speaking 360, and let's get started. Try to guess the meaning. The food is served. Dig in. Help yourself to anything you want. So this is something that someone could say if you're invited to their house. So, dig in. Does it mean take a photo or start eating? Make a choice. Choose one. It means to start eating. So the food is served, start eating right now. Help yourself to anything you want. So to help oneself to something, does it mean ask for help or take without asking? Which one do you think is right? Help yourself to something means take something without asking. You see in the picture right here, there are so many different kinds of food on the table, so someone could say, hey, help yourself to anything you want. You can take anything and you can eat it. After pigging out on pizza last night, I decided to cut down on junk food. Very useful phrasal verbs. To pig out on something. Does it mean to eat a little of something or to eat a lot of something? What would you say? Of course, if you look at the picture with the little pig, you understand that it means to eat a lot of something. And to cut down on something means what? To eat less or to eat more? What would you say? Cut down means to eat less of something. So I decided to cut down on junk food. I decided to eat less junk food. Like in the picture, you see, it doesn't mean to stop eating junk food. It means to eat less than before. Cut down on. It's quiz time. For health reasons, I have decided to sugary drinks. Now, what would you put in the blank? Try to guess. If you can do it without any choices, you're very good. But here are 3 choices. Help myself to, pig out on, or cut back on. And the answer is, for health reasons, I have decided to cut back on sugary drinks. I'll whip up some pasta for dinner and we can snack on some chips while it's cooking. All right, to whip up something. Does it mean to prepare something slowly or to prepare something quickly? Can you guess? You can probably guess. It means to prepare something quickly, like a whip. A whip is something that cracks and it's very fast. To snack on something, to eat a small amount or to eat a big amount. If you snack on something, you eat a small amount of something. Let's snack on some chips. Let's snack on some nuts, for example. Quiz time! Welcome! The fridge is over there. You can anything that's in there. All right, what would you put in the blank? Help yourself to, whip up, or dig in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome, the fridge is over there. You can help yourself to anything that's in there. You can take anything and you don't need to ask. Instead of eating out tonight, let's order in some Thai food. Oh, what a great idea. I love that. To eat out, does it mean to eat at home or eat at the restaurant? And the answer is eat out means to eat at a restaurant. So you eat outside of your home, you eat at a different place. So you're eating at a restaurant. It doesn't mean to eat outside. Okay? Important. To order in, to get something delivered, or to go and get something. Which one is right? And the answer is, of course, to get something delivered. Let's order in some Thai food, but you could also use it only with order in. Instead of eating out tonight, let's order in. You don't need to specify what kind of food you want to order in. Quiz time! Let's eat something before we go shopping. Okay. Let me some instant noodles. Okay, now what would you say? Whip up, pig out on, or eat out? And the answer is, okay, let me whip up some instant noodles. Let me prepare some instant noodles very, very quickly. Let's eat in tonight. I can warm up the leftovers from last night. Eat in. So you remember we have studied eat out, but this one is eat in. Does it mean to eat at home or eat at a restaurant? So of course it's the opposite of eat out. So eat in means to eat at home. So let's just eat at home tonight. I can warm up the leftovers from last night. To warm up or to heat up. Does it mean to make something hot or to make something cold? Of course, you make something hot when you warm it up. Quiz time! I don't really feel like cooking today. Let's just What would you put in the blank? Let's just eat in, let's just order in, or let's just cut back on. What would you say? And the answer is, let's just order in. I don't want to cook, but I want to eat at home, so let's order food delivered to our house. He wolfed down his breakfast and washed it down with a glass of juice. Okay, these two are a lot more difficult. To wolf down something or to wolf something down, does it mean to eat quickly or to eat something slowly? Pick one. Ready? You eat something quickly, like a wolf. Imagine that a wolf is eating hamburgers, for example. Do you think the wolf is eating very slowly? Of course not. To wash something down or to wash down something means to drink, to help swallow something. So in the example, he had his breakfast, but then at the end of his breakfast, he drank a glass of juice so that all the food from his breakfast would go down to his stomach. It's final quiz time. Now I'm giving you all of the 12 phrasal verbs that we have studied today, and you have to pick the right one or the right ones, because sometimes there can be more than one answer. Let's go. Italian pasta is my favorite, and I like to with a glass of red wine. Now, what would you put on the line here? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wash down is the right phrasal verb, but how would you use it in the sentence? Italian pasta is my favorite, and I like to wash it down with a glass of wine. It stands for pasta. Question 2. I like to nuts when I'm a little hungry between meals. So I'm a little bit hungry between lunch and dinner, so I like to snack on nuts. And this one doesn't change, so you put it like this. I like to snack on nuts. Can I some of your amazing warm bread? Okay, make your choice. Be careful because this one has many answers. Which is the right phrasal verb? The best one is help oneself to. So how would you use it in this sentence? You would say, can I help myself to some of your amazing warm bread? Help myself, help yourself, help himself. You have to change it according to the person. Another good answer could be pig out on. Can I pig out on some of your amazing warm bread? Can I eat a lot of your amazing bread? A third answer, can I snack on some of your amazing warm bread? Can I eat a little bit of your amazing warm bread? And the last one, can I wolf down some of your amazing warm bread? Can I eat a lot and very quickly wolf down? Next question. Microwave ovens are useful for food quickly. What would you put in the blank? Warm up is the right answer, but in the sentence you would have to say microwave ovens are useful for warming up food quickly. Another possible answer is whip up. Microwave ovens are useful for whipping up food quickly. Restaurants are expensive. Is much more economical. So something that is cheaper to do than going to a restaurant. You ready? This one should be super easy. Eat in is the right answer, but in the sentence, you would have to say, eating in is much more economical. Good job, guys! You have studied 12 very useful food phrasal verbs, so try to use them as much as you can. And of course, check out the other good videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!